In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign Microsoft To-Do tasks efficiently. Whether you're a project manager looking to delegate tasks or someone trying to streamline personal projects, understanding how to assign tasks in Microsoft To-Do is a valuable skill that can help keep your projects organized and moving forward. Firstly, let's dive into the world of Microsoft 365. If you haven't already, you'll need to navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online platform, which includes popular applications like Word, Excel, and importantly for us To-Do. Once there, the process begins by clicking on the Sign In button. This is your gateway into accessing and managing your tasks on any device, anytime. If you're new to Microsoft 365, this step is crucial for syncing all your tasks across devices. Signing in requires your email. This might seem like a simple step, but ensuring you use the email associated with your Microsoft 365 account can save you from any sign-in headaches later on. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to click Next. This leads you to enter your password. Remember, security first. Ensure your password is strong and unique to keep your account secure. Once signed in, simply type "to-do" in the office.com search bar. You'll notice a variety of applications at your disposal, but for now our focus is on Microsoft To-Do. Clicking on the To-Do application will usher you into the realm of task management. Now you're ready to master the art of task assignment. Navigate to the My Day section of Microsoft To-Do. This feature allows you to prioritize your tasks for the day, but it's also where we'll begin the process of assigning tasks to others. Start by clicking on the plus sign to add a new task. This is where your to-do list begins to take shape. Assigning a task is as straightforward as typing the that symbol followed by the name of the person you want to assign the task to. But here's the catch. The person you're assigning the task to needs to be a part of your Microsoft 365 organization or contact list. This is a fantastic way to delegate tasks within your team, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. This process not only helps in organizing your day or projects, but also in ensuring accountability within a team. The assigned tasks appear in the assignee's Microsoft To-Do, allowing them to manage their tasks alongside their personal ones. It's a seamless integration that enhances productivity and collaboration. Some additional tips to enhance your task assigning experience include regular review of assigned tasks to keep track of progress, using due dates and reminders for time-sensitive tasks, and utilizing task descriptions for providing detailed instructions or expectations. Remember, clarity is key in assignment to ensure that tasks are completed efficiently and effectively. By mastering these steps, you'll not only simplify your workflow, but also empower your team to work more collaboratively. Whether for personal use, family organization, or team projects, assigning tasks in Microsoft To-Do can revolutionize the way you manage tasks and time. To summarize, signing into your Microsoft 365 account, navigating to Microsoft To-Do, and learning to efficiently assign tasks can streamline your project management process and enhance productivity. The simplicity and effectiveness of Microsoft To-Do make it an indispensable tool in your productivity arsenal. Remember, the power of Microsoft To-Do is not just in creating tasks, but in effectively assigning and managing them to ensure that every project moves forward smoothly. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a Microsoft To-Do guru, able to keep your projects and tasks well organized and on track. And with that, you're now equipped to effectively assign tasks in Microsoft To-Do, turning chaos into clarity. Whether you're managing a team project or keeping your personal tasks in check, the ability to delegate and track tasks efficiently can make all the difference. Dive in, give it a try, and take your productivity to the next level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.